Yo, it's the Yamillay, man. Just showing you how to make a cigarette real fast. Hopefully you got this. Take an empty tube. Take your tobacco injector. Then you take a little bit, only a little bit of tobacco and put that in first. Alright. I'm just using this for a flat surface to smack the tobacco all the way in the back of the tube. Alright. Smacks the tobacco in the back of the tube. So now you put the rest of the tobacco inside of it. See? You put the rest of it inside. Start out with a little bit first, then the rest. And see, if you do it the right way, there won't be any holes in the tube. All you have to do is smack the tobacco back down again, and then the tobacco you see sticking out right there won't be there. It'll be inside the tube. I told you, that's how you make a cigarette. Alright? Start out with a little bit first, then you put that in the back of the tube, then, oh, these scammers calling me. I can't stand these scammers. I'm not answering that call, I'm making a video. Alright, Father Ya, out.